Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name's Griya Gorn. You can call me Kate. I was born and raised in Sakonnakhon, Thailand. I graduated from the University of Nakhon Phanom with a nursing degree. Since then, I have working in Pananikom Hospital. I work as a nurse. Yes, I'm a nurse. I work in labor room. I enjoy doing fun activities such as singing, exercising, and hanging out with my friends and family. And I am a big fan of running and yoga classes. And my favorite movie is James Bond 007. And I also enjoy making new friends. So please feel free to contact me to ask me for anything. And I hope to see you on in soon. And it's very nice to meet everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.